All right, we're at the 91 Indy Trail. 4,610 miles. Last time it was registered, expired 2013. This thing is rough. It'd be sweet to put this one back together, but it's a part sled. It's complete tear down and repair mod, whatever. But it's come apart. The clutch soaking for a few days. That's brake fluid. It's pretty good eating rust. The motor is pulled, the 488 fan. It's got lots of good parts that should work well on the 78 TX grandma sled. So I'm told. Yeah, I believe it. We'll see. But this thing is rough. This hole is all wallered out. Of course, the bolt broke off. That's all wallered out. So that arm is pretty hit, or whatever it is. What do you call these things? Oh, I can't even remember. This bolt busted off. And I think the one on the other side of this one's broken off. And I'm guessing that the one on the other side of this one's gonna break too. So when you buy these sleds, so this is a 91, retailed at like $5,000 MSRP, $49.95, whatever, 5K, 5G. I hear people like, oh, that old sled's not worth that much money. I don't know. I guess it takes a lot to put one of these back together. This one's obviously been neglected. It's gonna need a lot of work. Gonna need a lot of probably mods. Oh man, that's the only way to go. I mean, if you want to go back to OEM because you're one of those people that thinks something that you've redone is going to be original, hey, that's yours. That you appreciate that. I'm more budget conscious, more interested in improving on a classic like this, and I won't be afraid to ride it. You know, not that I'm going to redo this one, but I'm not going to do a show quality sled that I'm going to be stressed out about getting dirty or salty or whatever. So yeah, I mean, and it takes years to get one of these things going again. You know, it takes time and money and patience and sourcing of parts, and there's really a lot to it. So it's not like you just go buy a sled and it's ready to go. Or if you do, you can get a brand new one, then you gotta pay however many thousands of dollars and insurance, and then you gotta deal with where you're gonna ride it, lodging, trailering. There's really a lot to it, but if your blood runs on gas and oil, like some of us gearheads, you do it. You just do it because it takes your mind off things like politics, which tend to get people aggravated. We don't want that. We want to be calm, cool, and collected. Yeah.